Hello friends and welcome to the world of science. In this video we are going to see Maharashtra State Board's 25% reduced portion for the year 2021 for standard 10th science 2 due to the pandemic effect of COVID-19. Myself Kavita Kobane from Gokhale Education Society's HL High School is going to present this video for you all. Before we start with the video and marking, you are requested to be ready with your textbook and your pencil to do the markings in your textbook. We will start with the lesson number 1, heredity and evolution. If you are not able to see the page number or the lesson's name, you just listen to the audio. From that you can come to know and accordingly you do it. I am purposely doing with the pencil because I don't want to spoil my book, and this I am going to use it for the next year also. So you also are requested to do it with the pencil. You just see the tick marks with the pencil. I am just doing it on the textbook, so you will come to know which point it is there, or I am going to read it out. That also you can listen it carefully and you can do that. On the page number 1, only one sentence is reduced. That is, on last it is there is uracil in RNA instead of thymine in DNA. This is actually, it is used in MCQ sometimes, or sometimes for the correlation it is there. So for that purpose this one is omitted from your syllabus. Come to the page number 3 directly. It is on page number 3, the paragraph it is starting from at present course till this organisms is accepted. This passage is omitted from your syllabus. A peek into history, this one, it is omitted from your syllabus. Come to the page number 4 now. On page number 4, here you can see can you tell use of ICT, and on page number 5 again use of ICT. This one is omitted for your this year it is. Okay, come to the page number directly. On page number 8 it is. Okay, on page number 8 also, here on the top of it, the Charles Robert Darwin, the scientist introduction it is. If you can see here, this, so this full information it is omitted here. Then this scientist also here, Lamarck, information it is omitted. This one, this is internet my friend, that is omitted for you. On page number 9, this full diagram it is omitted. It is not going to come in the exam, but it is expected you have to do the study of this one. On the basis of that you have to write down this information how the evolution took place in your homework notebook. Okay, so question will not be asked to you in the exams. Page number 12, on that, can you recall that 7 questions omitted? Use your brain power, that is omitted. Can you tell, can you recall, it is omitted. Here the diagram, okay, that is for just self study. This type of diagram may not become in the exam. Here can you tell the questions, that is omitted for your syllabus. Come to the page number 14 again. On page number 14, the information about ATP it is. So this ATP information that is omitted. On next page, page number here, introduction to scientist. Okay, so Krebs cycle who gave this. So here this is omitted for you. Come to the next page, page number 16. On that, can you tell, on the top of it you can see here question number 1 and 2. These two questions are omitted for your syllabus. Then here always remember this box, full box, it is omitted for you. On the next page, page number here, page number 17, 3 questions, use your brain power is omitted. Internet is my friend, that is omitted. Can you tell, here 1 to 5 questions, that is also omitted for you. Then come to the page number 18. On page number 18 only one question it is, can you recall, this question it is, you can see here in your book. This, can you recall what is the shape of chromosome, that is omitted for you. Rest all is there for you this year. Then after this, come to the page number 20. Here also one activity it is, okay, that is of onion peel and all this. During the practical the teachers will explain to you, it will not come in the exam. And here also use your brain power, use of ICT, books are my friend. So on this whole page only one paragraph is there, and this rest of the page is omitted for you all. Then come to the page number 22 directly. On page number 22 also, can you recall, 5 or 4 questions are there. These 4 questions are omitted from your syllabus. Then after that, come to the page number 24. On page number 24, here the paragraph you can see fragmentation. Second paragraph, whenever there is plenty of water there, to till into new cycle. This paragraph is omitted from your syllabus. Next page, next to the spore formation, here try this. The activity is omitted for you. Page number 26, here you can see let's think. Here two questions, that two questions are omitted for you. On the next page you can see here the description of the parts. So many flowers have taken, see on the top of it. So many flowers have the stalk to support from there till the haploid polar nuclear. This full paragraph is omitted from your syllabus. Rest all is there. And here do you know and use of ICT, that is also omitted from your syllabus. Come to the next page number 28. On this, the try this activity, here you can see that try this activity it is, so that is omitted, that will not come here. Can you tell, sorry, can you recall, that questions are there. Okay, so only this try this activity is omitted. On the next page you can see here the surprising facts. This box is omitted for you. On the next page you can see again do you know, this box is omitted. Here development and the birth, that is omitted. On the next page can you tell, that paragraph is omitted from your syllabus. Then page number 33. On 33, see here you can see internet is my friend, that box information is asked, that is omitted. So if you will just go through it, you will come to know that only the general knowledge or the common knowledge we can say, that is omitted, not the main course is omitted. Okay, here the first, this paragraph regarding the diseases, it is, that is omitted. Do you know, that is also omitted. So very less reduction is there. On page number 36, lesson number 4, environmental management, here think and answer is omitted. Can you recall, that is also omitted. Okay, now on the next page, that is the ecosystem, it is biotic and abiotic components, that you have learned in the last standard also. This is for just revision, it will not be asked in the exam. Then come to the page number 38. Can you tell again, the question, it is omitted. Then here the factors affecting the environment, below that on the last you can see bottom of this page, observe and fill the information, that is also omitted this year. Then page number 39, here this full box, full table we can say, this is completing the table. On the basis of that no questions will be asked to you. On page number 40 again, do you know, that is radioactive pollution. So whatever is omitted on that, questions will not be asked to you. A peek into history, this one is omitted. Then here the needs of environmental conservation, that chart is there, so that flow chart, the chart is there, that is omitted. On the next page also you can see all the boxes are omitted. Here do you know, let's discuss, internet my friend, and always remember. Okay, so all these are omitted from your syllabus. Page number 42, information about this, omitted. Next page number 43, here also you can see the how can biodiversity be conserved, that is omitted. The symbols will come. Okay, that is not omitted. Then here the voluntary organization and international environmental organization, that is also omitted from your syllabus. Page number 44, here this full chart, that is omitted. On page number 45, here recall a little, that is omitted. Do you know, that is omitted. Always remember, think, all is, this is omitted. Page number 47, can you recall some questions, that is make a table, that. Okay, and next in this page number 49, here last paragraph, it is after combustion of fuel till here certain problems, that paragraph is omitted. Use of ICT, it is omitted. Then on page number 50, here do you know, the places, state and capacity of that power plant cities, so that is not, the questions will not be asked on that. Then page number 51, internet is my friend, that, and compare halls. Here these questions, the questions will not be asked on these topics. Page number 52, again here a blue box of natural gas based power plants, that will not be asked to you. Then this full page we can see, this is totally omitted. This yellow box totally omitted. Hydroelectric energy, that is there, it is not omitted, it is there in your syllabus. On page number 54, use your brain power, omitted. Page number 55, do you know, here on the top of it you can see. Okay, so that is omitted from your syllabus. Then come to the next page, page number 56, here the wind turbines of their capacities, the diagram it is. So mostly the diagrams and the get information collected it. These two is omitted here. The full 57 page number fully it is omitted for your syllabus. 58 find out, that is omitted. 59 here also do you know, that is omitted for you. Lesson number 6, that this chart classification of living organism that you have learned last year, so it is omitted from this year. It is on page number 62 also. You can say near about full page it is from your here history of animal classification. Page number 206. This full paragraph is omitted. Just below the picture non-coded information that is omitted here for you. Page number 63 here, the last paragraph, this system of animal classification till segmentation, that is omitted for you. Page number 64, grades of organization. See here, that is on the top of it, you can see grades of organization, it is omitted for you, it is. Okay, then on page number next here 6.8 diagram, organ system grade organization. This diagram is omitted. For your self study you have to do it, but it will not be asked in the exam. Page number 66, directly you can come, that is the body cavity it is. Okay, so this body cavity, that on body segmentation, that information is given, that is omitted from your syllabus. Then come to the page number 68, again here do you know, on the top of it bath sponge it is, that is omitted here also. Surprising facts, this is omitted. On next page, internet is my friend, that is get information that just only the extra. Then on next page, page number 70 again from the let's think, that is omitted. Surprising information here last it is, that is then books are my friend, that on page number 71 also do you know that. Okay, so like this you can see the main part of the syllabus or the main chapters or the main information is not at all omitted, only the extras which is there, that is omitted. Page number 74 also use your brain power. See here this one. Okay, on page number 75 use information and technology, this one it is omitted for you. Come to the lesson number 7. Okay, so in lesson number 7 also this last paragraph you can see here, this process are performed on large scale from here to till the flavor of butter. Here this one, just see the pencil mark, you can understand it. This one is omitted for your from your syllabus. Page number 78, let's think 2 questions, do you know, full paragraph, it is omitted now. Then on page number 80 you can come, here also a table, that is products of beverages, this full table omitted. Okay, then on next page you can come and you can see here use your brain power on the top of it, that then search a question is there, that is also omitted from your syllabus. See here and here it is. Okay, that is omitted. Page number 82 again, can you tell, here 3 questions are there, so these 3 questions omitted for you. Next page, let's think 3 questions, that is omitted. Page number 84, can you tell, here the 2-3 lines only in the starting, this one. Okay, this one is omitted, rest all is there. Page number 85, use that internet is my friend, that activity you have to do, so that is omitted for you. Okay, so like this the omission is there. Page number 88 you can say, come here 88, that next lesson cell biology, can you recall that 4 questions in the top, that is omitted. Page number 89, the paragraph it is. Okay, that is uses of stem cell and all, that is omitted. Here use your brain, again it is omitted for you. Then on page number 90 here internet is my friend, see my pencil and the topic it is. On page number 91, always remember, recall a little bit. Okay, so that is omitted from your syllabus. Page number 92, blue box, development of biotechnology in India, that blue box totally omitted from your syllabus. On the next page number 93, use of ICT, which is in little bit yellowish box, that also omitted. Okay, so if you will see general only, it is omitted from you, and mostly this omitted syllabus, on that only 1 marks questions mostly are asked to you. Now 94, do you know, that is on 95, the blue box, and here the peeking into history, that is also omitted from your syllabus. Page number 96, cleaning oil or oil spillage in oceans, this one omitted. collect information, this one omitted. Internet is my friend, this one it is omitted for you. So like this, from this lesson only this much is reduction is there. Come to the next page, page number 101, that is social health, lesson number 9. Observe and discuss. This chart is given to you, that is factors affecting to it. So questions will not be asked on this. On page number 103, see, think. So this type of question, because it needs a discussion, so this will not be asked to you in the exam. It requires your opinion. Then here on the same page, compare topic, it is there. Last you can see here, this one. This is omitted from your syllabus. Then come to the next page, 104, recall a little. 2 questions are asked in this here. These 2 questions are omitted from your syllabus. Page number 105, internet is my friend, and the cyber crime. This topic is omitted from your syllabus. Okay, that you have to know little bit general information. You have to do it self-study. Page number 106, do you know this passage? Okay, this one is omitted. Page number 107, always remember. This yellow color box you can see, this one is omitted from your syllabus. Then on page number 109 you come. 109 is disaster management. From this, these 3 questions are there. What is disaster and all this? These 3 questions are omitted from your syllabus. Then on page number 110, let's discuss. Okay, that you have to do it. You have, means it is omitted from your syllabus. Internet is my friend, that is also deleted or omitted from your syllabus it is. Then on the next page you can come. 111, here the last, it is use your brain power, this one, that is also omitted from your syllabus. So like this, lot of omission they have done, but main syllabus they have not reduced. Okay, so general on 113 page number, a yellow box, that is objectives of disaster management, that is also omitted from your syllabus. Then come to the page number 115, here also little bit it is try this, that is omitted. And here the management, structure of disaster management it is. Okay, so that structure is omitted from your syllabus. See here, this full, I'm just doing the pencil mark it is. Okay, and the get information, that also omitted it is. Then page number 116 you can see, internet is my friend. See the box here, this one, it is omitted. Who does what, this also is omitted from your syllabus. Here we can see the activity, page number 117, that you have to see the picture and explain the importance, that also is omitted because the teachers may not get the time to do the discussion with you. So this is omitted. Then on the same page, complete the chart, it is this one. This complete the chart is omitted from your syllabus, so it will not be asked in the exams. Then we are coming to the end of this. Next page number 118, here again get information, this full box. Okay, that is of actually first aid it is, and here get information about the medical officer and all, that this one is omitted. Okay, then here also internet is my friend, it is omitted. Page number 119, always remember it is. Okay, see here on the book, always remember, that box is there, that is omitted from your syllabus. So like this, the total omission is there. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, and enjoy yourself. Goodbye to all.